create a space where other non-Indigenous people could be in relationship with Indigenous mentors and knowledge keepers. I just can't believe how it's grown and evolved, and to be hosting our community in a space like this, it's surreal.
Love supporting culturally committed because of the essence of the work that is transpiring. In the era of truth and reconciliation, as I like to call it, we need more and more countless non-Indigenous Canadians to pick up this work, to hold space, to create space for other non-Indigenous professionals, moms, dads, aunties, uncles, community members, to come together for the spirit of learning, for the spirit of reconciliation. And this work should not, and never should have been, it was never intended to be solely resting on our shoulders as First Nations, Métis, and Inuit people across Turtle Island. So what I love about supporting Culturally Committed, and why I choose to keep showing up and supporting Culturally Committed, is because they carry that essence of allyship, of advocacy, of like-minded, like-hearted champions who are picking up this incredible work and starting to spread it, not just in their professional practice, but throughout their teams, their organizations, and of course, across the communities that they all represent.
I follow my grandmother's footsteps in sharing teachings and building better relationships between Indigenous people and non-Indigenous people to create a better tomorrow for everyone. That's it.